In a cozy little village, there lived a curious kitten named Whiskers. Whiskers was always excited to explore and learn new things. Every night, he would listen to stories from the older cats about the world beyond their village. One day, Whiskers felt a strong urge to see what was outside the village. So, he packed a tiny bag with snacks, left a note for his family, and quietly set off on his adventure. As the sun began to hide and stars twinkled, Whiskers walked and walked. He crossed rivers and climbed hills, feeling brave with each step. But there were tricky parts too, like a dark forest that looked scary. Whiskers remembered the stories and found ways to cross safely. One night, under the moon's glow, Whiskers met a wise old owl named Oliver. Whiskers shared his journey, and Oliver listened kindly. "Exploring is exciting," Oliver said, "but it's smart to be ready and listen to advice." Whiskers nodded, realizing he had much to learn. He thanked Oliver and decided it was time to go back home. He met new friends on the way who helped him cross streams and hills. Whiskers learned that friends make adventures even better. Back in the village, Whiskers' family hugged him tightly. They were worried but happy he was safe. Whiskers told them all about his adventure and the lessons he learned. He promised to be careful and listen to others from now on. From then on, Whiskers became known as the Brave Kitten. He still loved exploring, but he remembered to be prepared and listen to older, wiser friends. He also shared his stories with other kittens, inspiring them to be curious and smart explorers. At bedtime, Whiskers would gather the little kittens and tell them stories. He made sure the stories were full of fun and good lessons. The village turned into a place of learning and sharing, where everyone knew that exploring was great, but being safe and kind was important too. Under the moonlit sky, the kittens fell asleep with smiles, dreaming of adventures. And in the distance, wise Oliver the Owl watched over them, hooting softly. He reminded everyone that curious adventures, mixed with wisdom, were the most magical ones of all.